What makes Bethesda, Maryland so desirable? Well, first and foremost, Bethesda is one of the hottest and most desirable cities in Montgomery County, not to mention its proximity to Washington, D.C. Then you add in the suburban feel with all the shopping, the dining that's right there, easily accessible. Bethesda just can't be beat. Oh, did I forget to mention the award-winning schools, Woodacre Elementary, Thomas Powell Middle School, and Walt Whitman High School. People are clamoring to get into Bethesda, just get their kids into those schools. So you definitely want to come visit my open house next Saturday, September 23rd. I'm holding an open house at an off-market condo here at 5301 Westbard Circle. And the great news about it, when you walk out the door, your parking is right there and you're steps away from Westbard Square. Shopping development that is being totally redeveloped to include more dining, a bigger giant, and more everyday living, so you can walk right out your condominium and enjoy all the amenities of Westbard Square. So you definitely want to come check out my open house Saturday, September 23rd, and you want to learn more about Bethesda, because Bethesda is one of the hottest cities in Montgomery County, Maryland. Its stock is only rising. So this is your opportunity to get in before the Westbard Square development is finished, because this area of Bethesda, once that development is completed, prices have only one way to go. So I look forward to seeing you Saturday, September 23rd at my off-market open house for a condo located here at 5301 Westbard Circle.